Hi everybody. So in my last film I was routing, and when I came up to this point we had an uh-oh, and here's what happened. This isn't the bit, I've since thrown the bit away, but these are some very inexpensive router bits from a country in Asia that will go unnamed at this point, China. And this bearing exploded basically. First time I used the bit, just went around that, and the bearing exploded, and it raised this collar up the shaft, and the gap that was between the bearing and the cutter allowed the template to slip in there, and I put an extra cut in the guitar right about where the back of your hand goes. There you go. So what I did was fashion a little chunk out of this same material, match the grain up the best I could, and match the radius of the cutter, and I got it glued in there now. So once it gets glued in, I'll level out the top, put the template back on it, and maybe not even, I might not even use the router on this. I'll probably just sand this. Yeah, I think I'll just do that on the drum sander. I'll sand that smooth. Then I can flip the piece over, and I have a router bit with a bottom bearing, and that bottom bearing, once the piece is flipped over, is going to ride against this freshly routed surface, and then that will give me the finished shape of the guitar, all over but the sanding. All right, so there you go. You're always going to run into problems, and it's about how you fix it. Peace.